Good afternoon, and welcome to another broadcast day of WEKO Echo TV.
This is the Camp Echo boat.
Okay, you guys.
Move the boat for the Camp Echo.
Hold on,
For
now
the
we're
grand
not going in
celebration
just yet.
with us today we
Gotta
have
wait.
the king of the Camp
go
Echo.
on
That's
the
all
camera.
ours.
Okay, ready for the camera. Ready, everyone?
You may find yourself living in a shotgun shack. You may find yourself in another part of the world. You may find yourself behind the wheel of a large automobile. You may find yourself in a beautiful house with a beautiful wife. You may ask yourself, well, how did I get here? Letting the days go by, let the water hold me down. Letting the days go by, water flowing underground into the blue again. After the morning's gone, once in a lifetime, water flowing underground. You may ask yourself, how do I work this? You may ask yourself, where is that large automobile? You may tell yourself, this is not my beautiful house. You may tell yourself, this is not my beautiful wife. Letting the days go by, let the water hold me down. Letting the days go by, water flowing underground into the blue again. After the money's gone, once in a lifetime, water flowing underground. Same as it ever was. 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 What is this all? What of a moon? There is water at the bottom of the ocean. Remove the water, carry the water. Remove the water from the bottom of the ocean. Letting the days go by, let the water hold me down. Letting the days go by, water flowing underground into the blue again. After the money's gone, once in a lifetime, water flowing underground into the blue again. Into the silent water, under the rocks and stones, there is water underground. Letting the days go by, into the silent water, once in a lifetime, water flowing underground. You may ask yourself, what is that beautiful house? You may ask yourself, where does that highway lead to? You may ask yourself, am I right? Am I wrong? You may say to yourself, my God, what have I done? Letting the days go by, let the water hold me down. Letting the days go by, water flowing underground into the blue again. After the money's gone, once in a lifetime, water flowing underground into the blue again. Into the silent water, under the rocks and stones, there is water underground. Letting the days go by, into the silent water, once in a lifetime, water flowing underground. Same as it ever was. 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 Same as it ever was.
But this is Lynn Hickey for the boat parade.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. Welcome to What is Future Mountain? Now, I'm sure some of you at this time have always wondered what your friend Jeff Campbell is doing here at Camp Echo. And this is what it is. This is Future Mountain. So we ask ourselves at the Evanston Y, what could it really be? A name and a program? Let's put the two together. let's see what life is like at Future Mountain. My tent and my trusty steed is right next to me. And it's a fun place. We have just a party. Hey, great time. Oh, it's nonstop. One of the nice features about Future Mountain is that we have these futuristic dwellings. This is a nice tent, canvas. My steed, Feldspar, stays with me, and we have a great time. My cohort, Terry Hansen, is my partner, and the other gentlemen and ladies of Future Mountain go in their own tents appropriately. But one of my favorite things I like about Future Mountain is that I can drive my car up right to my tent. It has to be one of the favorite things, because with nowhere else in Camp Echo, that is, that you can drive your car right up to your tent. It's great, it's great.
Hi! Here we are at the Future Mountain Hot Tub, and it's hot. We're just getting ready for some campers here. Just stirring things up a bit. Notice the raging fire we got beneath it. Woo! Boy, the water's just about right for some cooked camper, huh? I'm excited. You know, add a little salt, a little nutmeg and sage. It's gonna be good eats tonight. Yeah, these campers are just about ready.
Just about right.
I like a medium rare myself. I know. Another 10 minutes, they'll be well done.
Well done.
Wait a second.
They'll be well done.
Well done. What's it?
Well done.
Here, we gotta baste a little bit.
Basically how you want it.
You know, just like turkeys at home. Little butter, a little broth. Chris seems to be covering a certain area, but hey, campers are funny that way.
No, Terry, please don't.
Okay, a little more stirring, hey.
Little hot burn, chest burn.
Little basting, every 10 minutes or so.
Ow,
Keep checking on them. Look at the color. And you've got Cook Camper. Hey,
My
it's
leg
been
is
fun for Cooking with Future Mountain. We'll see you next week.
Hi, what's up? What's the matter? You have an earring? Ooh. Ooh, it looks kind of red.
What should I
Well, it hurts a lot, huh?
do? Yeah, it does.
Looks real red. I think you ought to go to the nurse.
You think so?
Yeah, you better go right now. Don't forget to put on those shoes first, though.
Okay. Thanks a lot for the advice. Bye.
Okay, sure.
Bye.
See you later.